In Kendall, homeowners understand the importance of preparing for hurricane season. Strong winds, flying debris, and heavy rain are real concerns every year. But beyond storm protection, many residents are discovering another major benefit of upgrading their entryways: enhanced home security. Hurricane protection doors don't just guard against extreme weather, they also significantly strengthen your home's defense against intruders. If you're considering an upgrade, here's how hurricane protection doors improve both safety and peace of mind in Kendall. Built with reinforced materials, hurricane protection doors are engineered to withstand intense wind pressure and impact from airborne debris. To meet these standards, they are constructed with reinforced materials such as heavy-duty steel reinforced fiberglass impact-resistant composite cores, strengthened internal framing. This solid construction creates a much stronger barrier compared to traditional hollow core or lightly built doors. The same durability that prevents storm damage also makes it far more difficult for someone to force entry. Impact-resistant glass for added protection. Many hurricane protection doors include glass inserts to allow natural light into the home. These panels are not standard glass, they are made with impact-resistant laminated glass. Laminated glass features a durable inner layer that holds the glass together even when struck. Instead of shattering into pieces, the glass remains intact. This offers two important security benefits: it prevents easy access through broken glass. It reduces the risk of injury from shattered fragments. In Kendall, where both storms and security are concerns, this type of glass provides dual protection. Advanced multi-point locking systems. Standard entry doors often rely on a single deadbolt. Hurricane protection doors typically feature multi-point locking systems that secure the door at multiple locations along the frame, usually at the top, middle, and bottom. This design distributes force evenly, prevents door warping, makes forced entry significantly more difficult. When locked, the door becomes tightly sealed within the frame, improving both security and energy efficiency. Reinforced frames and hardware. A door is only as strong as its frame. Hurricane protection doors are installed with reinforced frames that are securely anchored into the structural framing of your home. Upgraded strike plates, heavy-duty hinges, and corrosion-resistant hardware add another layer of defense. In Kendall's humid climate, durable hardware prevents rust and weakening over time. Proper installation ensures that both the door and frame work together as a secure unit. Resistance to forced entry. Because hurricane protection doors are designed to meet strict building codes for storm resistance, they naturally offer high resistance to physical force. Attempting to kick in or pry open one of these doors is significantly more difficult compared to older or lower quality models. The reinforced core, secure anchoring, and multi-point locks create a strong deterrent. For homeowners, this translates into increased confidence and peace of mind. Energy efficiency and security combined. An added benefit of hurricane protection doors is their tight compression seals and insulated cores. While primarily designed for storm resistance, these features also improve energy efficiency. In Kendall's warm climate, a tightly sealed door helps prevent drafts, reduce cooling costs, maintain indoor comfort. You gain improved security while also enjoying better thermal performance. Increased property value. Security upgrades are highly valued by homebuyers in Kendall. Installing hurricane protection doors signals that your home is prepared for both storms and safety concerns. This dual-purpose upgrade enhances curb appeal and long-term property value while offering everyday benefits. A smart investment for Kendall homes. Hurricane protection doors are often seen as a storm preparedness feature, but their security advantages are just as important. Reinforced materials, impact-resistant glass, multi-point locks, and secure frames all work together to protect your home year-round. For Kendall homeowners seeking greater safety, durability, and peace of mind, upgrading to hurricane protection doors is a practical and powerful solution, protecting your home from both severe weather and potential threats.